what I want to show you now is the tank standing, scaffolding. Look at it. So this can carry up to 5,000 liters. 5,000 liters of tank. You can see it. We just completed it. If you load 5,000 liters on this standing tank, it will be stable. You can see it. We just completed it. So these are the things we are talking about. If you have anyone you want to give to us, look at the foundation. Look at how the foundation is. The foundation is being chained around. So that the thing will be very solid, strong. You can see how the foundation is being chained around. You can see it. How it's being chained around. So make sure that in the future the thing will not shake. The foundation won't be the problem. You want to get anything done, the first thing is make sure you get the foundation done very well, and others will follow. So you can see it. So we just completed this. So get us in touch with yours, and just like I used to say, you will get the best from us. Thank you for watching.